Make sure you are building in unanchor mode the whole video. Place a cake, then select all and unanchor. Place a new block and connect it to the wall. Go through the green portal and anchor the red block first, then delete the blue block second. Go to the jet and activate it and anchor the red block as it is moving. Scale it into the slide with the scale tool. Make sure it works. If you are not moving or you start bouncing, rebuild the glitch like so. Press the lever and reset. Anchor the glass and you are done.